Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe and share and like. Today we have 2000 Buick Century. We did replace an engine computer on this car. We programmed it. We got some difficulty on doing the security. But finally we did a 10-minute relearn. We are able to program the car. Still I have the check engine light is on. I want to see what happened after we change the computer. That's the engine computer that is here. This is the old one. There is another video how to remove it. By the way, also, if you have the same engine computer, same part number, like the service number, if it's the same, you will be able to program it and it will work. That's what used one could be work. You can download the software, change the VIN number, and it's working. I'm using Hotel here. This is a little bit bigger. Before, the car have a code for misfire injector driver. So let's see now what happened. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to diagnose, and I will go by VIN. Auto detect is supposed to detect the VIN. I have everything connected, OBD2 connected. Sometimes when the car is very old, it's not easy to get the VIN number, but he say put the VIN number manually, which I don't believe that. I don't see something here. You see here, I cannot see the communication here. Let me close this one. I'm gonna open it again. I'm gonna go here, diagnose. Let me clear all this. Clear this, clear this, clear this. All background, I wanna clear them. Clear it. Now, let's start again. I have this one. Everything is good here. I'm supposed to get, I don't see anything. Into the car is not connected yet. I just push it good. Hopefully I will be able to connect into the car. Let me see it again. Everything look good. Okay, sometime it will not do it. I feel like it's still the car is misfire. I hear a beep. But I'm supposed to get two. This one and this one here. If I don't get it, I will go to OBD2. No, not general. So let me go to Chevy, for example, American car. And then I will go to GM generally. Standalone, okay. Yeah, now I'm connecting to it. You see here it's green. You say read the VIN number. I want to read the VIN number because I read the VIN number before. That the VIN number is a correct VIN number. I will say okay. Okay, it will give you that passenger car for Buick Century custom 4-door. I will say okay. Without air pump. Okay. One second, please. Okay, we are in the topology section, or you can go to control section, but let me go to power control section, and I want to go to power control module. Trouble code. It just is a big screen, history and current, injector number 4 circuit, misfire detected, security. So we still have injector number 4 misfire issue. So I believe this car have either wiring problem, wire cut somewhere, or the injector is service no good. Two computer will never be bad. The P0631, this is the code for the security. I'm gonna try to clear the code. So injector number 4 control circuit, that means this injector have this car for sure two computer will never be bad. P0204 injector number 4 circuit, they need to follow all the wiring from the computer all the way to the injector add a wire and check it correctly. Could be the wire broke somewhere, I believe. I am only programming this car, but diagnostic have to be done. This is a circuit issue. Let me go to data, live data. Okay, engine data. Okay, let me see what if there are any injectors. Short trim, short trim, long trim is -25, it's too much. The spark ignition, fuel trim. I'm supposed to get something related to injectors. Injector width is 3.2 range. Okay, 0 to 30 injector width is okay, even though one is not there. AC cycling pressure. Okay, we still have this problem. Let me see if I have misfire data too. Misfire data. You see here cylinder number 4. Misfiring is there. Let me close this. Cylinder number 4 misfire is really high. Cylinder number 2 is 80. Cylinder number 2 here, a little bit. But cylinder number 4, that's what I see it here. It's too much. So another work have to be done on this car. Please do not hesitate to check all the wires. Get a wiring diagram for this car. There is Mitchell on demand. There is Aldera. Even GM have their own software and wiring diagram. You can subscribe for it and go check all the continuity. Swap because this is under the intake manifold. It's kind of hard to keep changing them, but get the resistance, get the wiring, get everything correctly before you go crazy. Okay? And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Century, Regal, Buick, even Buick, all those cars, they are the same. So I have nothing to say now. I really appreciate your visiting my website and my page, and please subscribe, like, and share, and let us know if everything is going well. If you just visit this video, you're gonna see video 1, video 2, video 3. Let me know if they are working, if you got it. And this will apply for cross cars. That means all the cars around this year, 4 years about, and all the cars with the same engine. It can go even to GM with the same engine. It could be also for Impala. Like, just take it like that. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share, and see you in another video.